cuties, how are you? This is your Zenat ma'am. I hope you're all be very fine at your home. Today we are not going to see any class or thing sheet. Then what we are going to see in this weekend? Full of fun, videos, puzzles, questions, drawings and projects. So surely I will say you would definitely get a full of happiness and enjoyment by seeing this video. Moving to our video, our today's topic is surroundings. So surroundings means what? It's like environment. நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்கிற விஷயங்கள் தான் surrounding. So in our surrounding we have many natural and man-made things. The things we have in our surroundings like a family which consists of parents, brothers, sisters, relatives, neighbor and friends, many things. And we have many schools, banks, colleges, buildings, transports, car, bicycle. These are all surrounded by our environment. So these are all our surroundings comes under the basis of only two things. That is living things and non-living things. So today we are going to see about living things and non-living things. Today we are going to see about living and non-living things. First, we are going to see about living things. Okay? Living things can eat food. Living things can feel. We can feel the temperature and we can feel the things what we are touching. And living things can grow. For example, if we take a tree means first it a seed and then a plant and then a complete tree. Okay, so living things can grow. Living things can reproduce. Reproduce means they give birth to young ones. So in this picture we can see a hen has given birth to many chicks. And living things can also move. We can move from one place to another. So that is some living things. Living things can work and living things can breathe. Some of the example of living things are animals, insects, birds and plants. Now let's talk about the non-living things. Okay? Non-living things, they cannot do what living things do. They cannot feel. Non-living things cannot eat. Non-living things cannot move and non-living things cannot reproduce. So that is the difference between living things and non-living things. So non-living things is divided into two types, man-made things and natural things. Man-made things and natural things. Man-made things is created by obviously man. So natural things, natural non-living things are made by God. So some of the man-made things are car, boat, table, bat, like that. So natural made things like stone, sky, water, desert, moon, star, these are all made by God. Okay? Some of the example of non-living things are computer accessories, toys, furniture, transportation, etc. So I think now you are all very clear about the living things and non-living things. Okay, now you are going to see an animated video of living things and non-living things. So let's enjoy the video. So have you all enjoyed the video? Okay, now you're clear, no? So once again I'm telling what the difference between living things and non-living things. So living things can move, living things can eat, and living things can breathe, and living things can reproduce, and living things can grow. So non-living things means it does not move, it do not move, it do not eat, and non-living things do not breathe, and non-living things do not reproduce, and non-living things do not grow. You have to tell the answer for this. Do plants speak? If it is yes means yes, if it is no means no. Do plants grow? Do plants show love? Do plants need food? So, do plants speak? No. Do plants grow? Yes. Do plants show love? No. Do plants need food? Yes. So, let's have fun. So, in this picture, draw a circle around living things. You have to draw whether it is a living things. So in first one, pigeon is a living things and plant is a living thing. In second one, boy is a living thing and tiger is a living thing. So I am going to show like this activity you have to do. No need to write in your rough note. In your phone itself, in that picture itself, you can use a brush or any tool. In that itself, you can write. So it's very interesting match. So you have to match only the living things, not the non-living things. Like a girl is a living thing, you have to match like this. Okay? A spider is a living thing, match like this. Not a living thing, only the not a non-living thing, only the living things you have to match. Okay? So next one, let's classify whether it is a living or non-living. So I'm taking one example, clock. So does it breathe? Clock will breathe? No. So does it eat? Clock will eat? No. Does it move? Clock will move? No. Does it reproduce? It gives to birth to young ones? No. So it is a living? No, it is a non-living. So like that you have to do this 5. Okay. Now we are going to see one song with dance about the living things and non-living things. Okay. Living things grow, they need food and water, and they make more of themselves by reproducing. This is how we tell if something is living or not living. Some things are alive, like a plant or a cat. Some things are not, like a stone or a rock. Living things grow, they need food and water, and they make more of themselves by reproducing. This is how we tell if something is living or not living. Have you all enjoyed this song? Okay, you will try at your home by singing that song. So next worksheet is you have to separate living things and non-living things. Okay, wow. So living things, for example, tree is a living thing. So tree. Okay. So non-living things, backpack. So backpack. Like that you have to do. Okay. This worksheet. Next, it is somewhat like puzzles. You have to, there are 16 words given, you have to find the words. For example, one only I am going to tell is third one, sun. So sun, here's sun. So like that you have to circle. Okay. The last worksheet is whether am I living. So if the things is living means you put tick. If it is non-living things means you put cross. For example, first picture is cow. Cow is a living thing. Yes. So you put tick. And then this iron box. So iron box is a living thing. So non-living. So it is a non-living. So you put cross. Like that you have to do this activity. 4 worksheets and 2 pictures. So 6 you have to do and post in our group. Okay. In additionally, so your main work for this weekend is you have to prepare one project. Okay, prepare one project about living things and non-living things. Okay, don't get afraid. I will show you one sample project at last how to prepare like that. So before that, I am going to show how to draw a non-living things and living things. By seeing that video, you itself can easily draw and make your own project. Okay, are you ready to see that drawing? So have you all enjoyed the drawing video of living things and non-living things? So by drawing this 8 picture is alone is enough for making a project. So no need more than that. Okay, so now I'm going to show one sample project. In that way you prepare. Okay, otherwise your own style, your creativity you can create in your way. I'm just going to show one sample. Okay. So have you all seen that sample project? So in this way you can prepare a chart in your home, in your style, in your creativity you can do about living things and non-living things. Okay, and post in our class group. Take a snap and post in our class group within Sunday evening. This is your weekend work project. Okay, thank you dears for watching the video till the end. I think so I overall enjoyed all the videos, pictures, drawings, and get more information. I think so. Have a great weekend. Eat healthy foods, drink more water, obey your parents what they are saying, do the homeworks regularly. Okay, dears. Thank you. Bye. With that, you can do all the worksheet also, and that also you have to post in our group. Okay, totally 6. Okay, dears. Thank you. Bye.